Imagine stepping into a world where every sense is indulged. The aroma of hand-stitched leather fills the air. Polished wood gleams under ambient lighting. Every surface, every detail, whispers of unparalleled craftsmanship. This is the allure of a luxury car interior, a sanctuary where automotive excellence meets artistic design. Luxury car interiors are more than just a space to drive. They are meticulously crafted environments. Designers consider every curve, every stitch, and every button. The goal is to create a symphony of comfort, functionality, and aesthetic beauty. It's about the feeling of sliding into a driver's seat that embraces you like a tailored suit. It's about the satisfying click of a handcrafted switch. From the moment you open the door, you're greeted by a world of unparalleled refinement. The experience is both exhilarating and comforting. It speaks to a desire for the very best in life. These are the spaces where journeys become experiences. This is the essence of luxury car interior design. The soul of a luxury car interior lies in the materials that give it life. These are not mere components, but carefully chosen elements that tell a story of opulence and refinement. Leather, with its rich texture and inviting aroma, reigns supreme. Imagine running your hand across supple, hand-stitched leather seats. The feeling is one of pure indulgence. Wood, sourced from sustainable forests, adds warmth and character. Each piece is meticulously selected for its grain and finish. From the dashboard to the door panels, wood inlays speak of timeless elegance. The natural variations in the wood grain make each car unique. It's a testament to the artistry involved. Metal accents, often finished in chrome or brushed aluminum, provide a touch of modern sophistication. These gleaming highlights can be found on the steering wheel, door handles, and air vents. They catch the light just so, adding a touch of sparkle to the interior. The interplay of these materials creates a visual and tactile symphony. The selection and combination of these materials are crucial. Designers spend countless hours experimenting. They want to ensure a harmonious balance between luxury, comfort, and durability. A luxurious car interior is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an experience that delights all the senses. This is where ergonomics takes center stage. Every detail, from the shape of the seats to the placement of the controls, is carefully considered. The goal is to provide unparalleled comfort and intuitive functionality for both driver and passengers. Seats are more than just places to sit. They are cocoons of comfort, meticulously designed to embrace the body. Imagine sinking into seats with multiple adjustment points, heating and ventilation. The driving position is optimized for long journeys and spirited drives alike. Lumbar support and massage functions further enhance the driving experience. The placement of the steering wheel, pedals, and dashboard is crucial. Everything is within easy reach, minimizing distractions and maximizing driving pleasure. Advanced infotainment systems, with their intuitive interfaces and crystal-clear displays, provide seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. This blend of form and function transforms every drive into a pleasurable experience. Section 4. A personalized sanctuary. Tailoring the driving experience. Personalize your luxury car to reflect your unique style. Choose from endless options for leather and wood trim. Classic black, elegant beige, or bold burgundy leather. Light maples to dark walnuts, each wood adds character. Add unique touches with embroidered headrests and custom mats. Work with a designer for a bespoke masterpiece. Section 5. From Concept to Reality. The birth of automotive excellence. The journey from concept to completion for a luxury car interior is a meticulous and fascinating process. It begins with a team of talented designers who sketch out their vision. They draw inspiration from various sources: fashion, architecture, even nature. These initial sketches are then translated into digital models. This allows designers to refine the design in a virtual environment. Once the design is finalized, it's time to create prototypes. These prototypes are painstakingly crafted by skilled artisans. They use the finest materials and traditional techniques. These prototypes undergo rigorous testing. This ensures that they meet the highest standards of comfort, functionality, and durability. The testing phase is crucial. It allows engineers to refine the design. They make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the final product is flawless. The process of designing and building a luxury car interior is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a perfect blend of art, technology, and craftsmanship. Section 6. The final touch. Ensuring flawless luxury. As the luxury car interior nears completion, it undergoes a series of meticulous quality checks. Every stitch, every seam, and every surface is inspected with an eagle eye. Skilled technicians scrutinize the fit and finish of every component. They ensure that everything meets the brand's exacting standards. Nothing is left to chance. The final assembly process is a marvel of precision and coordination. Highly trained technicians work in harmony. They carefully install the interior components. Each piece is fitted with the utmost care and attention to detail. The car is then subjected to a final inspection. This ensures that everything is in perfect working order. This rigorous quality control process is what sets luxury car manufacturers apart. It's a commitment to excellence. It's about delivering a product that is not only beautiful, but also built to last a lifetime. Section 7. A love affair on wheels. The customer's embrace. The moment the customer takes delivery of their new luxury car, it's a moment of pride and excitement. They embark on a journey of discovery, experiencing the pinnacle of automotive luxury, enveloped in comfort, refinement, and performance. The feel of the supple leather, the scent of the wood trim, the perfect placement of the controls. Every journey becomes a celebration of the senses, a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. Owning a luxury car is a love affair on wheels.